Very good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the poem Sparrows by Swapna Datta. We have done it already. I hope you remember. Let's revise it, and we are going to write question and answer and some rhyming words in our notebook today. Okay? Have a look. The poem name is Sparrows by Swapna Datta. Sparrows on the mango tree. Repeat after me, children. Sparrows on the mango tree. Sparrows on the grass. Sparrows on the windowsill and on my looking glass. Now see, a picture is given, and everywhere sparrow is there. Somewhere it is sitting, somewhere it is flying. So the poet is saying sparrows is everywhere, and where he can find the sparrows? Sparrows on the mango tree. See here. Sparrows on the grass. On the grass also sparrows are there. Sparrows on the windowsill. This is a windowsill. Okay. And sparrows on the looking glass. See, this glass is there, and here again sparrow is flying. Okay. What is windowsill? This is windowsill. Either topmost part of the window and the lower part of the window, we call it as windowsill. Okay, you can see sparrows here as well. Let's go forward. Sparrows on the gravel path. Gravel path is where we walk. And on the garden chair. See here, garden chair. Sparrow is again sitting on the chair. Sparrows by the lily pool. A pool is here, lily pool. Sparrows are sitting here also. You find them everywhere. Now the poet is saying that sparrows is everywhere. Wherever he sees, he can find sparrows over there. Okay. Come to the next page, children. Now you must have done it before. In the book, we are going to do it in the notebook today. Okay. This is page number 17 of your book. What is the poem about? What was the poem about? This poem is about sparrows. You can write it over here if you have not written. I know you have written, but if you have not written, you can write it down. S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S. Sparrows. Okay. This we are going to write in the notebook as well. Okay, have a look at this. Look at these pictures. Tick the places where the speaker sees the sparrows. Okay, so what is the first picture? Lily pool. Yes, the speaker has seen the sparrows at the side of the lily pool. So tick it. On the road. No, this was not in the poem. Okay, so leave it. And on the grass. Yes, it was there on the grass. And what about the garden chair? Yes, the sparrow was there on the garden chair as well. Okay. Now, question number 1. And this. Pick out the words from the poem that sounds the same as these words. Sound the same means the rhyming words we are going to write in the notebook. Okay. Okay. Now, take out your notebook, children. So, on the red line, we are going to write the poem name Sparrows. S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S. Sparrows. Okay. On the top, you can write revision. Okay. Write today's date. And the first question. Leave the first line, started from the second line. First question is, what is this poem About. And the same answer we are going to write here. This poem I hope everybody is writing with me. This poem is about sparrows. Okay. Now pay attention, children. You will write S small here because many sparrows are there. Okay. It is not a proper noun. It is a common noun. Here we have written S capital because we have written the chapter's name. Okay. Don't get confused. I repeat the question. What is this poem about? This poem is about sparrows. Just now we have done it, children, and you saw it was about sparrows. The poet found sparrows everywhere. On the mango tree, on the grass, on the windowsill, on the looking glass, on the gravel path, on the garden chair, and also by the lily pool. So this poem is about sparrows. Now second question we are going to write the rhyming words. Okay, I have changed the question a little bit. The question was very long, so I made it short. Write the rhyming words. In our book, the question is pick out the words from the poem that sound the same as these words. Sound the same means rhyming. Okay. First one is bath. B-A-T-H, bath. So the rhyming word is path. P-A-T-H, path. Bath, path. Okay, and it is from the poem itself, children. We have to write the rhyming word which is there in the poem. Bath, path. Let's take the second word. And our second word is free. F-R-E-E, free. So the word which goes rhyming with this word, that is free, is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Free tree. Again this word is from the poem itself. Okay. Free tree. I repeat the words. Bath, path, free tree. Is it not rhyming, children? Bath, path, free tree. Let's go for the third word. And the third word is hair. H-A-I-R, hair. So the rhyming word with hair is chair. Okay, it is from the poem itself. Garden chair. So we are going to write here only chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Hair, chair. Let's go for the next one. Number 4, that is cool. C-O-O-L, cool. So the rhyming word with this word, that is cool, is pool. P-O-O-L, pool. And it is from the poem Sparrows by the Lily Pool. So the answer is pool, pool, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. And the 5th one. This is the last word, and the word is class. C-L-A-S-S, class. C-L-A-S-S, class. This is our last word, children. The rhyming word with this word, that is class, is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. And what was the sentence? And on my looking glass. This sentence was there on our poem, class, glass. Let's go through all the words. Bath, path. The sentence for this one was sparrows on the gravel path. Okay, bath, path. Free tree. What was the sentence for this one? The first sentence, sparrows on the mango tree. Okay. Third one, hair chair. What was the sentence? And on the garden chair. Look at the fourth one, cool pool. The sentence in the poem for this one was sparrows by the lily pool. Pool, pool. And the last one, class, glass. The sentence from the poem is class, glass, and on my looking glass. Okay, class, glass. I repeat, bath, path, free, tree, hair, chair, cool, pool, class, glass. Okay, so this much only we are going to write today, children. And this question, children, what is this poem about? When you are going to write the answer, you will write in a complete sentence. This poem is about sparrows. Okay, in the book we have written only sparrows, rest of the sentence was already there. But while writing in the exam, you are going to write the whole sentence. And only sparrows you have to remember, because rest of the words are there in the question itself. See, this poem is about. This poem is about. Only you have to take this is from here and put it in front of the poem. Remember that, and this you will going to find in the question itself. This poem is about sparrows. Only the word you have to write is sparrows. This poem is about sparrows. Okay, I repeat, what is this poem about? This poem is about sparrows. Okay, so this was all for today, children. Thank you.